Hi, this is Anjaneyulu, Physics faculty. Welcome to Narayana online classes. Today we are going to discuss 6th class physics. The topic is submultiples of standard units of area and relation between centimeter square and meter square. So here submultiples means already well known to you, deci, centi, milli, 10 power minus 3, micro, 10 power minus 6. Like that, if you consider, these are the submultiples. But standard units of area is, we are consider here decimeter square. Decimeter square is the standard unit of submultiple of area. Centimeter square, millimeter square, micrometer square. Like that, if you take, these are the submultiples of standard unit of area. And here, how can you relate between centimeter square and meter square? So here 1 meter square equal to 1 meter means 100 centimeter, whole square is there, whole square. So 1 meter square equal to 100 means 10 power 2 centimeter whole square. So 1 meter square equal to 10 power 4 centimeter square. So the relation between meter square and centimeter square is 1 meter square equal to 10 power 4 centimeter square. If you want to know the relation 1 centimeter square equal to this 10 power 4 comes to denominator, then we can write 1 by 10 power 4 meter square. So now 1 centimeter square is equal to 10 power minus 4 meter square. 1 centimeter square equal to 10 power minus 4 meter square. So this is the relation between meter square and centimeter square, and centimeter square and meter square. Now based upon this, now we are going to discuss some problems. First one is, if area of a body is, if area of a body is 10 meter square, 10 meter square, then find its value in millimeter square. Its value in millimeter square. So options, first option 10 power minus 7, second option 10 power plus 7, third option 10 power 8, and fourth option 10 power 9. 10 power 9. So solution. So same method, previously what we method followed, that is again we have to follow, that is a simple way to get the answer. So here area of a body is 10 meter square. Our requirement is in terms of millimeter square. That's why we have to take millimeter square in denominator. Okay, so here 10 into 1 millimeter, 1 meter means 1000 millimeter, 1000 millimeter. Whole square is there, whole square we can use. Okay, by millimeter square, just you write like that. So no change at all. Okay, now here 10 into 1000 means 10 power 3, 10 power 3 whole square means 10 power 6 millimeter square by millimeter square. So both cancel, 10 power plus 1 plus 6, 10 power plus 7. That's why second option is correct. Second option is correct. Next, second problem. Convert 4 nanometer square into millimeter square. The first option is 4 into 10 Second option 4 into 10 power minus 24. Third option 4 into 10 power minus 12. Fourth option 4 into 10 power minus 36. 10 power minus 36. So what is the solution? So again easy method, 4 nanometer square by millimeter square you have to take in denominator. So here 4 into nanometer means 10 power minus 9 meter, whole square is there, whole square we have to take. And here millimeter square, millimeter means 10 power minus 3 meter, whole square is there, whole square we have to take. 4 into 10 power minus 18, 10 power minus 9 whole square is there, 10 power minus 9 into 10 power minus 9, so 10 power minus 18. Meter square is there, meter square. By here 10 power minus 6 meter square, leave that. Then now 4 into 10 power minus 18, 10 power plus 6. This minus 6 goes to numerator, plus 6. Okay, now here what we will get? 4 into 10 power minus 18 plus 6 minus 12. So our answer is 4 into 10 power minus 12. So third option is correct. Third option is correct. Next, third problem. Convert 100 decimeter square, 100 decimeter square into picometer square, picometer square. So first option is 10 power minus 24, second option is 10 power plus 24, third option is 10 power minus 28, fourth option is 10 power 20. 10 power 20. Okay, solution. So here 100 decimeter square given by picometer square you have to take in denominator. Okay, so here 100 means 10 power 2, deci means 10 power minus 1 meter, whole square is there, whole square. So picometer, pico means 10 power minus 12 meter, whole square is there, whole square. Now here 10 power 2 into 10 power minus 2 meter square by 10 power minus 24 meter square. Okay, now here 10 power 2 into 10 power minus 2 into 10 power plus 24, minus 24 goes to numerator, 10 power plus 24. So here plus 2 minus 2 both cancel, 10 power 24 only remaining, that's why our answer is 10 power 24. So second option is correct. Next, fourth problem. Convert 5000 micrometer square into centimeter square. Convert 5000 micrometer square into centimeter square. So first option is 5 into 10 power minus 5. Second option is 5 into 10 power plus 5. Third option is 5 into 10 power minus 8. Fourth option is 5 into 10 power minus 12. 5 into 10 power minus 12. The solution. So here 5000 micrometer square by centimeter square you have to take. 5000, so 5 into 10 power 3 micrometer, 10 power minus 6 meter, whole square is there, whole square. Centimeter square, so 10 power minus 2 meter, whole square. So 5 into 10 power 3 into 10 power minus 12, 10 power minus 6 whole square, 10 power minus 12 meter square is there, meter square. 10 power minus 4 meter square. Okay. So in this one, so here 5 into 10 power 3. So how do you write here? 5 into 10 power 3 into 10 power minus 12 into 10 power plus 4. So 5 into 10 power 3 into 10 power minus 12, 10 power minus 4 goes to numerator, 10 power plus 4. So 5 into, so here 3 minus 12, minus 9 plus 4. So minus 5. So our answer is 5 into 10 power minus 5. 5 into 10 power minus 5. First option is correct. Thank you.